Hi everyone, welcome back to yoga time. Hey Bonkers, I'm glad you could join us. We're going to do some stretching and some moving, and I think let's focus today on one of our animal poses. I wonder what it could be today. Here we go, can you guess? They're part of a family. Hey, we're a part of a family too, Bonkers. They're covered with fur. Hang on, you're covered with fur. They're flexible and fast. People love when they purr. Not sure if you're a purrer, Bonkers. They can be quite skinny and they can be so fat. They love chasing mice, so you know that's right, it's a cat. Here we go, Bonkers. So for this pose, we're going to start on our hands and our knees. All right, getting into position. I like to do this by tucking my toes under, but you can also have them flat if you prefer. All right, we're going to start by taking a deep breath in, and we're going to look up to the sky. So can you pretend that there's the sun, or maybe you really have the sun above you. We're going to take a deep breath in and look up. And now we're going to take a deep breath slowly out, and you're going to look at your knees. So when you're breathing out, you're looking at your knees and you're pressing your back up to try and touch the sky. And when you breathe in, you're looking up and you're trying to press your belly down to the mat. So it looks a little bit like this. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's do it one more time together. Breathing in and breathing out. And guys, that's how you do the cat pose. So you can try that at home anytime you like.